This is my little hamster friend. He knows hamster style kung fu. I know kung fu. I love playing Yogarate. I love big belly breaths. It's time for me to go now. Bye, everyone. Okay. Good job. Now, in yoga, we make our body stronger and we breathe all different ways. So another way to breathe that builds up our energy and gives us even more energy. Or sometimes we have a lot of energy and it's time for us to take a nap or to calm ourselves down. This fire breathing helps us. So take your hand, put it over your mouth. You should still be able to breathe in and out with your nose. Watch, when I do my fire breathing, my belly gets bigger and smaller, slow at first, then it goes faster. Watch. Ooh, and now I did my fire breathing and all that energy I had, now I just used up that energy. So sometimes if you feel like you gotta rock and roll and move around and it's not the right time to do it because it's not time to go outside yet, maybe try fire breathing so that you use some of the energy and it'll help you calm down. Sometimes when I get upset, sometimes when I get sad, I use my fire breathing and then I calm myself down after. Does that make sense? Try it. You never know if it's gonna work or not, right? All right, good job. High five.